great Pennsylvania Railroad, the standard railroad of the world, was for a long time America's longest. Dating back to a charter issued to Colonel John Stevens in 1815, the Pennsy, through its predecessor, became the first railroad chartered in America. By September 1832, a line was opened between Philadelphia and Paoli, with horses providing the tractive effort. In 1834, steam locomotives began to replace the equestrians, and Pensy's westward expansion attained a serious level. In its effort to reach Pittsburgh, a formidable obstacle lay in the way: a mountain range across the Kittanning Valley, not far west of Altoona, Pennsylvania. Known as Horseshoe Curve, a great engineering marvel was built to circumvent a series of canals and locks to reach the top of the mountain. Constructed under the guidance of John Edgar Thompson, chief engineer of the PRR, the grade of 92 feet to the mile, or nearly 2%, is clearly visible. To move the heavy trains of the glory years over this line, the company acquired locomotives of great size and power. Near the top of the 4-track line, twin tunnels waited. During our visit, engines of 462 wheel arrangement, PRR Class K4, whisked passenger trains around the curve, while freight haulers of the 482 M1 class and 210O I class managed the freight and helped the assignments. Interesting too, besides the great limiteds, the farm equipment loads on flat cars and the unusual clearance car used to check the tunnels and bridges for oversized shipments that would follow. Ranging across northern Indiana, a newly acquired Central Motors diesel on a cracked passenger train closes out a look at the Pennsy.